African ancestors never sat in straight lines, they sat in circles, and that simple choice carried a deeper spiritual and cultural meaning. In many African societies, the circles were more than just a shape. It was a symbol of unity, equality, and continuity. A straight line has a beginning and an end, but a circle, it has no edge, no hierarchy, no front or back. Everyone inside is equal. In the villages of Ashanti, the Yoruba, the Igbo, the Zulu, the Masia, the Shonan, and countless others, important decisions were made by sitting together in a circle. The elders, the warriors, the mothers, the youth, all could speak and all could listen. A circle meant no single person dominated. Wisdom flowed from one to another, just like the uninterrupted shape they formed. Around the fire, families sat in circles to tell stories. Growth and oral historians sat in circles to pass down memory. Spiritual ceremonies were performed in circles to represent the circle of life, birth, death, and rebirth. Dancers moved in circles because the ancestors believed life itself moves around and returns. Even our huts and compounds were built in circular patterns because Africans understood energy, community, and the sacred geometry of life long before colonial textbook existed. Straight line rows, columns, classroom seating, military formation came with colonial schooling and European system of control. The goal of straight lines was order, obedience, and hierarchy, but the goal of the African circle was connection, wisdom, and humanity. So when we say our ancestors sat in circles, we are also saying this: they knew the power of unity, they understood equality, they value community and dominance, and they built societies on the formation that every voice matters. The circle was our first parliament, our first school, our first place of worship, and it remains one of the strongest symbols of who we are.